This usually means Windows installer thinks another setup process is still running in the background, even if you cannot see it on screen anymore. In many cases, the fix is simple and does not require risky registry edits or third-party repair tools. In this guide, we'll go through the safest fixes first using only real Windows 11 tools. We'll check for stuck installer processes, restart Windows installer properly, and retry the setup safely. Most users can solve this in just a few minutes. Step 1. Wait or close the current installer. Before doing anything else, check whether another installation is actually running. Maybe Windows Update, Microsoft Store, Office, or another app installer is still finishing in the background. If you see an active installer window, let it complete normally if possible. If it appears frozen, close or cancel it properly instead of force shutting Windows immediately. Running multiple installers at the same time can confuse Windows installer and trigger error 1500. This is especially common when users double-click several setup files quickly or interrupt an installation halfway through. Always start with the simplest explanation before assuming Windows itself is broken. If no installer is visible, restart the PC next. This is the safest and most effective way to clear stuck Windows installer sessions and temporary installation locks. A reboot resets background installer processes that may still be hanging silently after a failed setup attempt. Many error 1500 cases disappear completely after restarting, because Windows clears the pending installation state automatically. If an installer process is clearly stuck and using resources abnormally, you can end that specific task carefully. Be cautious not to randomly close important Windows system processes. In some situations, a hidden installer continues running without a visible window, which keeps Windows installer locked. Closing the stuck installer process can free the installation system so new apps can install correctly again. Once the process is cleared, try the installation one more time before moving to deeper fixes. Step 4. Restart Windows installer service. If the error still appears, restart the Windows installer service itself. Open the Start menu, search for Services, and launch the Services app. Scroll down and find Windows Installer.